How to send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what is I'm going to do is just click a video for a few seconds. And as I do that, you'll be able to see the plus icon beside the video over here. So simply tap on this plus icon. So here you'll be able to see the option of import media at the right side of the screen. Select on import media. Now you can just select the pictures from your gallery and then select on the check mark. And as you do that, you can just tap on the video that we just clicked before. And here you'll be able to delete the video over here. So simply tap on delete and delete the clip. And as you do that, you can just tap on preview, and now you'll get the picture or the media that you had just uploaded from your own gallery. And then you can just tap on send to, and you can select all the other people over here as well. And that's how you can send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.